And ito na nga yung aming second tourist spot dito sa Valley, Indonesia, the Lumbung Sari House of Coffee. So dito matitikman natin yung mga iba't ibang coffee, like coconut coffee, mangosteen tea, and andito rin yung famous na musang na nandito yung luwak coffee. So ayun, we will try that here kasi free lang naman here. And then ito kasi yung pinakamalapit din from our first destination. So, dito kami dinala ng aming tour guide. And syempre, mabubudol tayo dito pagbili ng coffee. Kaya, i-ready na natin din yung tiyan natin pag taste ng different coffee. Sana hindi kami mapoops here. Kasi I know, ang dami nung ipapatikim sa amin dito. So, yun na nga, pagpasok nyo pa lang, may magtutour na sa inyo, and then they i-show sa inyo yung different type of tree, the coffee tree, the different ano nila dito na makikita. So, andyan, may tour guide naman.
Ginger, galangal, very similar plant. But about turmeric, we make tea, ginger, tea and coffee. Lemongrass, tanglad,
Tanlad.
we make tea.
Yeah.
And then we have the blue flowers. We call butterfly pea. Coffee.
Yeah, we love coffee.
You like the black coffee or luwak coffee? Is black coffee, but they have like fruity taste.
Oh.
It's not bitter. No. You can see the animals.
But here we have just some animal, it's just for sample. We have more than 100 sample. We have more than 100 animals in the
Yeah.
Have you tried before?
Yeah, Philippines.
And dito naman sa area na to, you can try to do what kuya is doing, and then pwede kayo mag-picture dito, mag-eme-eme na you are the one who cook the coffee, and they will teach you how to do that, and yung process ng making coffee. And then sa end, meron silang sample na kung paano siya naging coffee or yung mga beans. So, ayan si kuya. Tapos, ayan, aura-aura lang. Then, ayan, dami rin namang tourist dito. Sobrang init nga lang, guys. And then, yun.
And clean.
That's
Looks like peanut. Yeah. It's after wash. Clean. It's after wash. Clean. Yes.
Okay.
And then open the skin by hand.
Okay.
You can smell the powder of luwak coffee. Sponge.
Yeah.
You can try. Mangosteen.
Mangosteen, yeah.
Tea here. Take the
I
skin.
like mangosteen, yeah.
The best seller tea here.
That's a coffee tasting. Ang ganda naman.
Here, 55,000 rupiah one cup.
I want.
One, two.
Two.
Two luwak and then the testing.
Yeah.
Wait,
Rupi ba? Rupi?
Oo. Huwag na takot na naman. Yeah, we're here at the coffee
Magandang
plantation.
umaga. Dito kami ngayon sa Mali.
So we're gonna try the different type of coffee.
Yes.
So, coffee tasting to. Sana hindi kami mag-diarrhea.
No?
So, just a taste.
Discover from the
Luwak coffee.
Luwak
diba?
Coffee Alamid.
Yeah, we're gonna try
We
this
call
one.
Musang from the Philippines.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
how much is that? 55,000 per cup. It's around 200
Convert
pesos.
to 200 pesos.
That's nice. Not bad. So,
Imported daw yung ano.
here guys, these are the different coffee here.
Imported daw pare.
We will have a
Ako yung
tasting
pala galing
later.
dyan sa
So, let's see
White
what
Hills raw,
it
pare, White
tastes.
Hills.
Let's have a quick tour here. So hot. So, this one is the Luwak Coffee Plantation. So, ayan. So hot. So, ayun guys. Ito kami sa Luwak Coffee Plantation. Guys. Ang init. Look, para lang kami nasa Pinas. Look. Diba? Nasa may palayan. So, ayan. We're gonna taste different kind of coffee.
Luwak coffee. But the luwak coffee no sugar. You can put sugar here. Then I put in the middle for the testing. Use banana chip. Yeah. Then I put in the middle for the testing. Use banana chip. Avocado, mochaccino, and Bali cocoa hot chocolate. Except no durian. Skip to mangosteen and ginger tea, lemon tea, and good down.
Anong nasa to? Mainit to. Pait. The coconut. Sarap yung coconut. This one is the vanilla coffee. This one is the ginseng. May ginseng. Hindi yung malangaw. Bali. Cocoa. Ayan, so it's mangosteen. Mangosteen. And then, the ginger tea. Ay, ang galing mo. Ayaw mo. Lemon ba?
Sarap. Sarap yan. Parang pink.
Lemon. Then, lemongrass ito. Sakto lang. And then, tea. Bella tea. Ayoko na. Coconut. Yeah, I like the coconut. And of course, guys, meron sila ditong bilihan ng mga coffee. So, after tasting, alam nyo na kung saan kayo pupunta. So, ayan, nandito rin yung Luwak Coffee. Pero, sobrang mahal pala niya. Hindi ko na, na-expect. So, ayun, parang nasa 4,000. Basta mga ganun, yung parang 500 grams lang siya, ganyan. And yun na nga guys, napabili rin tayo kasi syempre, why not? Tapos, ayun, konti lang naman din yung binili ko, yung mga nagustuhan ko lang dun sa coffee tasting nila. And then, wala kasi sila ng parang mga sachet. So, isang pack talaga yung mabibili nyo. Kaya yun, bumili na lang ako ng mga gusto kong flavor. Tapos yun, wala talagang maliliit lang. Kaya, ayun, yun na lang din yung binili ko kung ano yung available. Tapos, our next destination will be sa Swing Haven. So, yun guys.